Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by framing and capturing what matters fast. Set your camera to 1080p or 4K at 30-60 frames per second so motion stays smooth. Once done, mount the gadget on a tripod and place a key light to remove harsh shadows. This helps viewers focus. Make sure the device is charged and the mic clipped near you. Begin with the first active demo step right away so viewers see functionality instead of idle setup. You now perform the gadget's central actions slowly and purposefully. Start with the first feature, show a close-up while you tap or connect, explain why this choice matters, and state the expected result. Then move to the second function and configure settings on screen using labels and short timestamps to guide attention. Once done, compare outcomes so viewers understand trade-offs. Keep sentences varied. Short commands for clarity and long. You wrap up by demonstrating the final outcome and recapping the 3 key takeaways so viewers leave with usable steps. Once done, record a brief recap shot that highlights settings and results, then prompt viewers to try the steps themselves. If something goes wrong, first reset the gadget, check cables and wireless connections, and update firmware. This fixes most issues quickly. Make sure to explain why those troubleshooting steps resolve common failures, so the viewer feels confident to proceed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.